Ooh, I like that. I like that one better. Ooh, I like this one too.
1 minute later.
Wait, what? All of my orders amount to like $800. But I don't have that kind of money to pay for that. What am I supposed to do? Let me think for a minute.
More moments later.
Ooh, I got it. I know someone that can help me out a lot. Jenny! She is one of the best people that I can trust when it comes to making money online. Let's see if she's free and available though. Let me give her a call. Hey Jenny, what's going on?
Oh hey Shelly, you seem to have a lot of energy today. What made you call me this time?
Well, I'm just happy and excited that I called you and you picked up. I was actually shopping online and I had a whole lot of stuff that was in my cart and it was kind of pricey. So I figured I would check with you and see if you had some more money making ideas that could help me out.
Well, you are just in time. I am currently at home, so I can immediately show you another unique way that I have discovered that can also help you earn a lot of money quite easily and fast. Would you like that, Shelly?
Heck yeah! Can we go see it right now?
I really love your energy, Shelly. Sure, Shelly. Let me get on my computer so I can show you everything, okay? See you in a bit, Shelly.
See ya, Jenny. I'm really excited for this. Hey friends, me and Jenny are gonna show you how you can use Google and affiliate marketing to make like over $890. Does that sound good to you? Because it sure sounds good to me. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. And if you get anything out of this, do me a favor and just give it a thumbs up. It's pretty simple, it's free, it's all I ask. But you know what? You want to get to the video. So what am I doing here? Let's do it. Let's go.
Hi, Shelly. Can you hear me now clearly?
Yeah, Jenny. All good now.
That's great. Let's get started. So, for today's strategy, you'll be generating money through affiliate marketing. And we'll be focusing on a specific website that supports affiliate marketing along with the combination of Google, which thanks to technological advancements has become very popular. And with the help of this video and my guidance, you'll finally figure out how to do it right so you can make the most money possible. As I'll show you a website and strategy that you can use to make a lot of money. Affiliate marketing and Google in particular can earn you over $890.
That's so cool, Jenny. Can we go to the website now? I really am intrigued and curious about it. Well, technically, not only me though, right guys?
Sure thing, Shelly. And with that, we've arrived at clickmeter.com, which is our first video's website. So, this is one of the websites we'll discuss in this video, and I'm guessing that a lot of you haven't heard of it. But you could be asking yourself right now, well, what is this website all about? Basically, this is a website that helps other websites make more money. This is done by increasing sales through ad income, which is done by increasing conversion rates, and in exchange for all of this, the website owner will, of course, pay them money. Isn't it incredible? The best thing about this website is that you don't have anything to worry about because you don't really need one for this, and any features it has won't be useful to you. The most important thing to remember is that this website increases sales for website owners, which is the only truly crucial component of this process, so don't overlook it.
That's so cool, Jenny. But how do I earn around here?
That was about to be my next step that I will show you. Let me show you now. The next step in this method is to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Affiliate Program under the Corporate section. You'll be brought to this page if you click it, indicating that we want to promote this website as an affiliate. And one of the things I like about promoting this website is a nearly limitless number of advantages you'll get. On their website, you can see that they provide 90% commissions, which is one of the highest I've ever seen. One of the few reasons I recommend investing your time and effort in this website is that it will save you a lot of money. As I indicated in the introduction, a single sale can net you around $890 or more, as shown above. So the first and most obvious benefit of advertising this platform is the massive amount of money you could earn. However, it is far from the only benefit you will receive from this website, as another important feature is that the clients who want to utilize it are all website owners. So, not only do they have money to spare, meaning that they will be more willing to check out a website like this than the typical person, but they will also benefit from using it, making it a win-win situation for you. The power of this website, as I previously indicated, is that it allows websites to create more purchases. As a result, even if a particular business owner invests money in this platform, they will still get value out of it. As a result, persuading people to pay for this platform, which allows you to earn money as an affiliate, will be a lot easier. As a result, this is probably the most important advantage for you.
But hey, Jenny, I have a question. When you say refer to this website, how many people are we talking about here? Because I am not a famous person, you know.
Of course you are. You even have over 5,000 subscribers on your channel.
Stop it. But hey, thanks for the compliment.
To put it in another way, you don't need to refer to thousands or even hundreds of people to make a lot of money. Simply referring to 10 people who opt to utilize this service for 3 months or less is plenty, and you'd be well on your road to become wealthy. Finally, if you read down to the FAQ section on this page, you'll notice that this website operates internationally, which is another reason why I enjoy it so much. It's available worldwide, which means that anyone visiting this page right now can use it. To summarize, this website has the potential to make you a lot of money, not only due to the huge commission you might earn, but also due to the increased willingness of people to pay for it. If they opt to use it, they will be willing to do so for a longer period of time, which will benefit you by allowing you to earn more money. All you need now is good traffic source, which I'll show you in a moment. I'll teach you how to simply find hundreds of thousands of people who own websites, as well as how to send a big number of people to this platform. The next step is to join this website as a member and sign up as an affiliate. To do so, simply click this button right here that says Sign Up Today, and you'll be taken to this page, where you can fill in your username, password, and email address to register for free on this site. And now that you've done that and joined up for the platform, the next critical step is to attract the traffic you need. And, as I previously stated, I have a method for quickly locating a large number of people who require a click meter and are prepared to pay for it.
This is so cool and easy, Jenny. I love it.
That's great, Shelly. And don't you worry, because there is more to come.
Show me more, please, Jenny.
Sure thing, Shelly. Let me guide you now. For this phase, we'll use Google.com, which is one of, if not the most, widely used search engines. You should use Google.com to locate such individuals. Now think of a business, and then a town, and then type both of those into the search form. Don't worry, the type of company you're considering might be any company in the world, and it could be located anywhere on the earth. So, for example, type in Los Angeles coffee shops here, and you'll be transported to this page when you press enter. Now scroll down a little bit on this page and click on the More Places option. This will lead you to the actual map where you can see the websites of all of the businesses in the area you looked for. And I believe you are beginning to see and understand why I previously indicated that you can quickly find hundreds, if not thousands of people, because you can easily search for any business located anywhere using Google. This effectively means that the number of potential clients skyrockets. And keep in mind that the majority of these enterprises and businesses will have websites, and many of them will be wanting to expand their popularity. As a result, the vast majority of them would find clickmeter.com really beneficial and will be willing to give it a shot.
Yeah, I agree with you, Jenny. But what do I do at this point? What do I do now?
Well, the next steps are going to be crucial, so stay with me, okay?
You got it.
The next crucial step is to browse to the websites of various different companies and try to find their email addresses and contact information. So, while you can contact them via Twitter or Instagram, it is actually far better to contact them by email, which requires you to first try to obtain their personal email addresses. If you are unable to do so, you must contact them through their social media accounts.
Is that the only crucial step, Jenny?
Of course not. Another crucial step is to ensure that what you type in the message appears to be as professional as possible. So basically, anything that supports ClickMeter should be typed here. This may involve telling them how much money they can make from the website and recommending that they check out this platform, which is of course clickmeter.com in this situation. Then you'll simply repeat the process as many times as necessary to reach out as much business as possible. And as I mentioned earlier, you'll be able to find so many people using Google that you can practically guarantee that some of them will look at your product and buy it. Even if it's only a little percentage, it won't matter because you'll be able to make a lot of money from a small number of customers, which is maybe the most exciting feature of all.
Wow, Jenny, just wow. What an amazing way to earn money online.
I know, right, Shelly? This is why I told you that you really made the right time of calling me, as I just recently figured out this amazing and unique method.
Thank you so much, Jenny. You have really helped me out. This is going to get me way more than what I even really needed. I love it so much.
Sure thing, Shelly. You know I am just one call away when you need more, okay?
I sure do. And I'm going to give you another call when I need you again.
Sure thing. See you soon, Shelly. Take care.
See you, Jenny. Bye. Did you like the video? If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I have something really, really cool that I want to give you that has to do with affiliate marketing. And it's going to be, I'm going to put it in the first link in the bio. It's something that can take what you just learned and like 100-fold, for real. Like, we're talking some serious cash here. So check it out. It's going to be the first link in the bio. And if you're one of these people that's like, you really would like to quit your 9-to-5, maybe sit on the beach and just be able to work from your laptop, this is what's going to be able to help you do that. So you go ahead and you roll with that. And I think you're going to like this next video that I'm going to have up here. So go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you in there because I'm in the video.